Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopper block I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fall off the bone barbecue ribs. Famous Dave style. Okay, I'm just using Famous Dave, that's all I'm just saying. So here's the seasoning right here. You can get this at Walmart. Here's some barbecue sauce right here, Famous Dave. And since we're not putting it on the grill, so you know everybody like the smoky taste to it, I'm gonna go with some smoked paprika and some liquid smoke right here. All right, so let's go ahead and get to this. Right here, this is my spare rib. This is what I'm gonna be using today. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I'm not gonna take that skin. You know how they have the skin on the back here? I'm gonna leave that on there because I'm gonna make sandwiches later on. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute after I wash this up and take all the nasty fat and stuff off. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. We washed off the ribs. This is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna come in here with liquid smoke, probably like a teaspoon on each side. Just like so. Okay. I'm gonna rub this around on there. Now this works real good if you like let it marinate overnight. It'll give you that smoky taste to it, especially when you're cooking it in the oven. Okay. We're gonna come in here with our smoked paprika. Probably like 2 tablespoons, tablespoon on each side. Just like so. Alright. And I like to move mine around in here. Alright. So now we're going to come with this Famous Dave's dry rub. So I'm going to wipe my hands off a little bit. Just going to put a lot of this on there. Probably like about 3 tablespoons. And this is for both sides, guys. Both sides. Make sure you preheat your oven to like 350, because we're gonna cook this bad boy for about 2 hours. Okay, that's that side. You guys can see that. That's that side of it. All right, we're gonna flip it over. I will do the back side first. Wipe my hands off again. Teaspoon of this liquid smoke. This is hickory. All right. All right. Smoked paprika. Yeah, if you do this overnight, it'll taste super amazing. And sometimes I like to put a little cinnamon on mine. I'm not doing that today. All right. Wipe my hands off again. There's that. Some more of the seasoning, Famous Dave seasoning. Okay, and that's what we're looking like, guys. Just like so. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take us some foil. It's going to give you that fall off the bone. And we're gonna put this in the oven and let it cook for about, I want to say about an hour, then we'll check on it. You gotta flip it. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, here I am. Finna flip this thing over. It's been in there for an hour. And it looks like it's tender, super tender. Just want to flip it over. Get this thing so I can hold this down. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this foil off and put this back in there. All right, just wanted you guys to see that. You're gonna be like, oh, he ain't showed me the thing. He ain't showed me. Yeah. Yep. So you can see it still got a lot of juice in there. If I can show you that up close. That juice in there. Okay. So we're just gonna go ahead and cook it like this for about a good 15 minutes. Then we'll flip it over. We're gonna pour out some of that juice or whatever the case may be, and go from there. Yeah, because it's tender. Just need to get a little bit more tender. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. It's been 15 minutes. Now what I did, because I don't want it to cook anymore, because it's gonna fall. It's literally off the bone. It's super tender. Okay? That's how that looks. As you see, I don't want to tear it, so I'm just saying it's like super tender. Look, anytime you can do that, it's real tender. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take some of this apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to drizzle some of that on there, just like so. And I'm coming back in here with this seasoning. The seasoning don't have a lot of salt in it, so that's why I'm letting you know right now. Okay. All right. So next thing I want to use, this right here is some cinnamon and brown sugar. Right here, guys. So if you guys can see that. This sugar and brown, cinnamon and brown sugar. So I'm gonna put some of that on there. It'll give a good, nice little glaze to it. So I ain't adding nothing but probably about like a teaspoon of this. We're just gonna cook this on high at 400 degrees. So we just want to brown this up over here, okay? And then we're gonna flip it over and do the same process. All right. See you guys in about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm just gonna put some of this barbecue sauce on here. I like to put mine on here like so. And then I'm gonna just brush it on there. Nice even layers. All right, I think we're good. Show you guys how that looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then we'll go from there. So that's how that looks, guys. All right. 10 minutes in the oven again, and we should be done. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this fall off the bone baked barbecue ribs, Famous Dave style. All right, I'll show you guys that up close. That's how those look. These right here just real tips. That's how that looks, fam. Alright. So please make this recipe and it's off the chain. No lies. So if you like this video, guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit this bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.